Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular ready-to-drink beverages out there, the best Carnation Caramel, the Carnation Breakfast Essentials High Protein with Fiber, Rich Milk Chocolate Flavor. This ready-to-drink breakfast drink has been a go-to for many, offering a great balance of flavor and nutrition, and it's packed with the protein and fiber you need to start your day right. Whether you're on the go or looking for a quick meal replacement, this product has got you covered. The Carnation Breakfast Essentials High Protein with Fiber is an 8 fluid ounce carton, and it comes in a pack of 24. Its rich milk chocolate flavor is designed to satisfy your cravings while providing the essential nutrients your body needs. It's not just a tasty treat but a great way to fuel your body with high-quality protein, fiber, and other vital vitamins and minerals. With 15 grams of protein per serving, it's a great choice if you're looking to start your day with an energy boost. Now, let's talk about the nutritional benefits. Aside from the high protein, this product includes 5 grams of fiber per serving. Fiber is crucial for maintaining digestive health and keeping you feeling full longer. The drink also contains essential vitamins like D, A, and C, and important minerals like calcium and iron. This makes it a great option for those who want a nutritious breakfast without having to spend much time preparing it. What's really convenient about this product is how easy it is to grab and go. The convenient 8 fluid ounce size makes it perfect for busy mornings, whether you're rushing to work or need a quick snack. Plus, it's gluten-free, so if you're following a gluten-free diet, you can rest assured it's a safe choice for you. It's also worth mentioning that the packaging may vary, but the core benefits and great taste remain consistent. The product is from Nestle, a trusted brand in the nutrition space, so you know you're getting a reliable, high-quality product. Plus, it's made with materials harvested from responsibly managed farms, which is always a plus if you're mindful of sustainability. With so many other breakfast options out there, Carnation Breakfast Essentials stands out because of its combination of taste, convenience, and health benefits. Whether you're in need of extra protein or fiber, this drink can fit into a variety of diets and routines. So, if you're looking for an easy, delicious, and nutritious breakfast option to fuel your busy lifestyle, Carnation Breakfast Essentials High Protein with Fiber in Rich Milk Chocolate is definitely worth a try. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products available. Thanks for watching.